Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use desktop extensions on your Android phone or tablet. I'm not talking about the browsers like Samsung Internet that supports Android extensions which are extremely limited. I'm talking about full-fledged desktop extensions. Now I'll also show you how to bypass certain paywalls on websites that requires you to have a subscription in order to read the articles. For that, first you have to use Microsoft Firefox. As of now, only this website browser supports a lot of extensions. Click on extensions, scroll down, you can see there are a lot of default extensions. I'll show you how to use the one to remove paywalls. Click on the 4 option. I've already added this extension to my browser. Let's go to a website like newyorker.com that requires you to have a subscription. Alright, let's click here. You can clearly see in order to read an article on New Yorker, you'll have to subscribe to it $1 a week for 1 year. But I don't want to pay. Why should I pay? Click on extensions, click on removepaywalls.com. I'll give a few options. By default it will show you the article, and it works. It removes the entire paywall and you can read the entire article without even subscribing. Now this method works on a variety of websites like Medium, New York Times, Hindustan Times, or any other website that requires you to have a subscription in order to read articles. Also, using the find more extension, you can add variety of extensions that are available for Microsoft for Mozilla Firefox. Next, I'll show you how to use method number 2.
So this is the second method of using extensions on your Android tablet or mobile phone. For this, we will be using the Microsoft Edge. First, open the Microsoft Edge account, your Microsoft Edge browser. You can also use the Chrome browser, but on your Android you'll have to use the Edge browser only. It doesn't work on Chrome Android. It only works on Edge Canary Android. So after login, you can see here I have added a couple of extensions in here. First, go to Edge add-ons. You first need to download this extension on your Chrome or Edge desktop browser. I have applied this. There are varieties of options that you can use, like this or this, anything. I have selected this particular extension, CRX extractor. You will need the CRX file in order to add it to Edge Canary. Now, whatever extension that you would like to export, click on it. I want to export reader view. Just you have to go to the extension website, manage extension, view extension on store. When you open the page, go to extension and click here. Now you'll see there will be an option, download as CRX. Click on it. I will save it to this folder, extension CRX. You have to save the CRX file. It is saved. Next extension is this. I would like to add this remove paywall extension because I was talking about how to remove paywalls. Go to the extension store on your Chrome browser or Edge browser and click on CRX extractor. Left click, not right click. Left click on it. Now download as CRX. Once again, save it. Now that you have saved it, the work on your laptop is almost done. Now I will share these two files to my tablet using QuickShare. I have transferred the CRX file to my tablet. Now you'll have to use your tablet. Wait.
I have transported the CRX files to my tablet. You can see I have transported them. Now in order to use them, you'll have to use Edge Canary. It doesn't work on Edge browser or any other browser like Chrome, Opera, Brave. It doesn't work there. It only works on Edge Canary. I'm talking about desktop extensions, not the Android extensions. Full-fledged desktop extensions. Click on Edge Canary. Alright. Click on the hamburger menu. You can see there is an option for extension. However, this only supports a very few limited collection of Android extensions. I want to show you how to add desktop extensions, full-fledged. Click on About Microsoft Edge. Click on the current version multiple times until developer options are enabled. Go to developer options. Now click on extension installed by CRX. Choose CRX file. Choose your exported desktop extension. I'll select remove paywall. And I'll show you whether it works or not. Go to newyorker.com. I'll click on an article which requires, I'll click here. See, you have to subscribe $1 a week to read this article. I'll show you how to bypass it. Click on the hamburger menu, click on extensions, click on remove paywall, and it immediately unlocks the entire article for you to read. See, using this CRX method, you can add as many desktop extensions as you want. You can also click on this extension, another extension. These extensions are not available by default. So I feel this is a cool way to read an article online. Reader view. You can use this extension to unlock the reader view on websites which doesn't support it. Thank you, that's for today.